तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं 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 करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहैः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Let's salute the Lord, the entire Gurus and everyone who are helping us to make our lives beautiful. Today's thought before our Upanishad class in the series of Art of. We are seeing it from last 2-3 days. So today's thought is the art of. Art means what? To gain which we have to put effort. To master which we have to be very conscious about it. And once it is made, that art adds the joy to the life. Art is not only painting. Art is everything. Everything is an art. Dances and all of arts. Eating is also an art. In fact, entire life is an art only. So, from that standpoint, in every aspect we have to gain the mastery as an artist. Continuously, constantly, consciously, like the artist or the sculpture, as they are attending to bring out the beauty and divinity in them, so too we have to do. One by one thing we have to add. Today's thought is the art of saying yes as well as the art of saying no. Because in front of us, every moment, the world comes either to ask something from us or to give something to us. Continuously, either the world is coming to us or we are going to the world to give something or to take something. So, when it is happening, we have to be very conscious to think all the time to which things we have to say yes. Mind's propositions as well as the world's offerings. World also offers us, mind also proposes. Should we not have the discrimination to know whether it is useful or not? No, most important thing in life is what? If it is useful, you must have the ability to say yes to that. It's an art. Developing the art of being alert to observe what the world is giving, and if it is worthy, don't reject it, say yes to that. Clear? Art of saying yes, where we have to say. This we do generally because we are emotional beings, we come under so many obligations. So our more stress is on the second point today, that is the art of saying no. Art of saying no means first say no that it is not to be said yes. Be convinced that it should be said as no. Then have the artistic way of presenting it in the world. What is happening in our immaturities and ignorances? That to which we have to say no, we are saying yes, and to that to which we have to say no, you say yes, further we are saying the no. Because the master is not there, the art is not there in life. Consciously we have to be, alertly we have to be doing the discrimination at every moment and to be able to say no, no, no. And those who are able to achieve this, to say no to the things to be said no and to say yes to the thing, they only at the higher level can become perfect spiritual seekers who can say no to the Jiva Deha Bhava and who can say yes to the Atmanubhava. To reach to that level, this is the beginning. Remember, means what? For everything in this world, you need not come under obligation and get bound. The attachment, the expectation, the obligations make us say yes to the things which we have to say no. So too, when we have higher and greater goals, don't have the greater goals, and when we don't identify with those goals, then when the things in the world come up, we compromise with these things and get ourselves saying yes to the world. To be careful about these two things, yes or no. Kahan yes कहना है, kahan no कहना है. In the mind, every moment it is like I am eating food. So my need or capacity is to eat chapati. Now the fourth chapati is tempting to the tongue. Then if you say yes, that 1 minute of enjoyment leads to 1 hour of misery later on because it was indigestion. And that day when you have eaten more and got indigestion or heaviness, that day only घर में भी सब लोग और भी आइसक्रीम बनाएंगे और भी पकोड़े बनाएंगे. No, you can't eat because you could not say no at that time. When we went to some house one day for bhojanam, with my father, so they offered, we ate, with little only father concluded his bhojanam. Then the people said, कि आपने इतना जल्दी क्यों खत्म कर दिया खाने का? Why did you say no? He said, who knows, you may bring ice cream and kheer afterwards. ये मैं खाऊंगा पहले पेट भरेगा, तो I can't eat that. See, he was so intelligent and all. So for his sake, because he said they anyway brought ice cream, वो अलग बात है. लेकिन the point is what? Why that greed? Why can't we say stop or no in life? For many things. Why that idea of asha or greed or excessiveness? Why can't we say no? Both. In such indulgences also, some promptings to do wrong, to indulge this way. That guts, if we have backed by the understanding that it is going to trouble me and the understanding that this is not my goal. With that, if I can say no, that saying of no at that moment is so painful, but later on, that alone gives happiness. Some teetotalers, no, friends offer drinks. No, if he learns the art of saying no for a few days, strongly, the friends themselves don't offer to him. Even if he wants to take, they remind, अरे तू कह रहे तो पीता रहता, suddenly तुम्हें क्या हुआ? So they help us because you say no. But you say yes to them, then whole life you'll be regretting only उन्होंने कहा मैंने मान लिया. Then it has become an addiction to me. No, I'm like this, wasting my time, life, energy, money, health, etc. So, where to apply these two, I'm not elaborating. But the importance of these two things. Saying yes when it is to be said, saying no when it has to be said, we must. But very careful. Half an hour more, let us watch TV. रात में मन कहता है, no कहकर सो जाना है. Morning 5 o'clock, the waking up call comes from the Lord. That time again mind says, no, sleep for 1 more hour. No, I am putting yes to waking up. Those 3 minutes we conquer and go and take bath, thanda pani se, you will see that nidra is gone. Your 1 hour extra that day is spent in doing sadhana. नहीं फिर दोपहर में बहुत नींद आएगा, वो बात के बाद सो जाओ, कोई गल नहीं, कुछ दिन के बाद वो भी नहीं आएगा. That's how one conquers oneself and restrains oneself from doing that which is not to be done and involves in doing that which is to be done. Many times inner weaknesses, outer obligations make us can't say no. So in our cases we can see, why don't we have strength to call people to our class? Because we have become so slave to them कि whenever they call, हम ही चले जाते हैं उनके पीछे. Say no to them 10 times. Then they will have value for you. Then you tell them, you come to my class, then only I will come to you. This is the way it works nowadays. They call us for something other than spiritual, and we are doing spiritual. Life is to be spiritual, especially after the age of 60, 50, and they 60, 65. They are stronger to pull us, and we are weak because we couldn't say no to them. Therefore, we are not able to command from them the yes to this. Our Swamiji's classes, you must be in my house, I will give you food 3 times. In 7 days, he is giving us 28 classes. We will listen them. You just do this for me. हिम्मत ही नहीं है. कहां से आएगा वो? ऐसा करो तो ही काम होता है. ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर फोन करो, आना है तो आओ, नहीं आया तो नहीं आओ, स्वामी जी कह रहे कहेंगे कहते रहेंगे. बस उन्होंने कहा बोलने को मैं बता रहा हूं, लेकिन तुम अपने काम में रहना फंसे. ऐसे बोलने से नहीं होता हो. You have to insist, that's all, for some time. Leave it once, especially those whom you can command. That person who is able to command you to leave the class and go, why can't you command him? उनका प्रोग्राम एक ही बात होता है बार, हमारा डेली हो रहा है। तो एक ही बार है तो एक बार जाओगे, तो डेली हो रहा है तो डेली बुलाओ ना। Say no, that's it. Demand from everyone. Unless you listen to the class, we will not come. But we know Swamiji, social obligation, that how long hold on to that? That has to come from within only. It can't come when I say. And when I say, if you are not in line with my thinking or this thing, you will only hate me, dislike me. Then you say, आपके क्लास भी छोड़कर अब जाएंगे. This is how the ego reacts in us. Very sensitive it is. These all are the part of these two words, saying yes and saying no. If yourself had said no to the classes, we would have struck up very at the backest place only. और हर जन्म में ऐसे मौका मिलेगा, नो करते रहोगे तो नहीं होता था, इसलिए आपने हाँ कहा तो बात बन रहा है. So the suggestions of the mind, the temptations of senses, the time wasting aspects of the people, whatever they propose, have the guts to say no. And all those things by which the health is protected, the longevity is maintained, the quietness of the mind is gained, the sublimity and depth of the intellect is gained, we reach towards the truth. All these things say yes to them, but have the art developed in us. Say yes if it has to be said, but more important is say no if it has to be said no. And more than the outer, we have to say no to the inner things, as we gave 2-3 examples. That is called self-accepted self-discipline, self-imposed self-discipline. That only protects the self from the self. Understand? उद्धरेत आत्मना आत्मानो. इसका अर्थ यही है, अपने आप को अपने आप के मेहनत से उद्धार करना है. का मतलब जब नो कह सकना है, नो कहना चाहिए. Every moment it comes. Two thoughts come. Should we study after the class for 10 minutes? Or should we do something else? We immediately say no to this, yes to that. 10 मिनट और पढ़ लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? फायदा होता है बहुत ज्यादा, उससे नुकसान नहीं है. No, in these small things only, delicately, consciously, when we become victorious in saying yes to be done, and in saying no to that which we have to say no, that adding that we grow. एक एक रुपए जोड़कर ही हजार या लाख या करोड़ बनते कि नहीं. So too, one day ruthlessly rejecting the non-spiritual and fully taking spiritual, if we have to do, to gain to that strength, we have to say yes or no to the things right from now onwards. Even in the world also, some things which bring disrespect and devalue to us, say no. Some people, instead of helping us positively, troubling us, say no, nothing is lost. अपने आप को बचाना सबसे बड़ा पहला कर्तव्य है. Yesterday Vibhishan was telling to Ravana, is it not? Don't blame Rama that he killed Kharadushana, you want to take revenge. Rama was innocent, he was on his own Aranyavasa, Vanavasa. This fellow जाके अकड़ रहा है, तो everybody have a right to protect themselves. Therefore, in the war, Rama tried to protect himself. Therefore, outcome was the Kharadushana had to be killed. That's it. You can't blame him for that. That means that we have always the right to protect ourselves. For that, we are always correct if you say no to somebody or something. No, who can say no to the things to be said no? The one who has no expectations, no desires. The moment expectation, desires come, then we come under obligations. When the obligations come, then we lose the art or strength to say no where we have to say. Is it not clear? Like nowadays, some people call. I say I have no time for all that. I am now convinced of my sadhana and all that. I am involved in that only. Please, with all respects to you, I can't attend that. I can say no now. पहले नहीं कह सकते थे. I mean no. Somebody calls on phone. 5, 2, 3 minutes. हो गया. But thank you. No. If anything you have substantial, you ask. I'll tell you. Finish. More than that, we have our goal. and have nothing expected from you, then we have that guts to say no. And there is no ill feeling in that. It is truth, it's fact. So अपने जीवन को कौन नाश तबाह कर रहे हैं, कौन उत्थान करते हैं, उनको जानकर जिसको नो कहना है, यस कहना है, जानना आज का थॉट है. थैंक यू. से यस टू द क्लास. हरिओम हरिओम हरिओम.